Hey everybody, I'm JC. I'm a fitness YouTuber and a personal trainer. I want to tell you about the transformation story I went through over the last year. I lost 40 pounds going from 190 to 150 and lost 9 inches off my waist because of the TidalFit Pro EP-15. This pool is amazing.
It's always important before you start any workout to get a good stretch. Here I'm demonstrating leg stretches and side bends. Now we're on to the workouts.
Before I get to the workouts, I want to talk with you a second about this state-of-the-art touchscreen LCD panel. This pool is like nothing I've ever seen before. It has true variable speed pumps that allow me to program my workouts one step at a time, or create an automated interval that takes me through my entire workout going from low intensity to high intensity, maybe even back down again, and allows me to cool down when my workout's over. Everything can be timed, or I can manually control every step of the way. One of the things I like most about this pool is I can change the colors of all the LEDs. I can scroll through, click this icon, pick the color I want, or choose color wheel and have it cycle through all the colors. When I'm getting my workout on, I love to crank that music up, and I can do so with the advanced integrated streaming option. This pool allows me to connect via Bluetooth to my mobile device. I can stream internet radio, I can get to my favorite apps, Pandora, YouTube, and I'm a YouTuber, so I love to watch my own videos right here at the pool. There's times I want to get in a good workout, but I don't want to run the jets, so I come over to the resistance swim anchor. From here, I can attach a pole and swim all day long.
First, I warm up by turning the current on just enough to get a good warm-up. I swim using the dog paddle. I turn the jets on with just enough force to give me some resistance, but not so high that I tire out quickly. I then do this for about 2 to 5 minutes. I turn the jets up higher for the next exercise, which is the side stroke. With one side of my head in the water, I lay on my side using my leading arm to propel me forward by kicking my legs. I do 30 seconds to 2 minutes per side and 3 sets of these. Next I will demonstrate the butterfly. This is one of the most relaxing and yet intense swimming workouts in the pool. Laying with my head against the jet current and on my back, I kick my feet out one at a time to get a float. Then I spread my arms out like an angel's wings out to the side, constantly kicking while I wave my arms out in an angel pattern. I do this for at least 5 minutes. I love using my TidalFit as a rowing machine. The next exercise I call the pull workout. I turn the swim jets up without running the hydrotherapy jets. Facing away from them, with the resistance cords and handlebars in front of me, I row back towards the jets for 4 sets of 15. For a challenge, keep the handlebars underwater. The other type of workout is the push workout. We're going to push the rowing bar against the current. With the jets on, push against the rowing bars, again keeping the bars in the water for maximum resistance as much as possible. These become a very intense cardio exercise. I use the elastic hand grips to work both my triceps and biceps, as well as chest and shoulders. Connecting the resistance cords to each side of the pool, keeping the cords underwater, I will perform 3 sets of several different exercises without taking a break in between.
Whether you're looking to build strength and endurance, improve your overall health, or just have an entertainment system for your entire family, TidalFit has what you need.